I don't know how healthy that would be to eat, but you know, a diesel dog. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I am going to be running this SunFire diesel-powered heater. Now you can also run number 2 fuel oil in this, and you can run kerosene in this. Now this is their mid-size diesel heater. If you didn't see my first video on this, they do have an 80,000 BTU heater, so one smaller than this, and then they have one size bigger than this one, which is a 150,000 BTU heater. The heater I'm using here says it's good to heat up to 2,800 square foot, which is quite a bit bigger than here in my garage. My garage is a little over 1,000 square foot, and I want to run this for, I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm going to do an hour, maybe a half an hour. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. If it's like crazy hot in here in a half an hour, I will show you that. If it's, I might just let it go an hour, because that's what I've done with some of my other heaters in the past. But I want to see how hot I can get it in my garage in an hour. So I'm also going to wire this digital thermostat up to this so I can show you that, you know, I could set this, say, like at 50 or 60 degrees, and this thing will kick on and kick off, kick on, kick off. Just keep my garage here, whatever I set this at. So I'm going to do that with this wire here and this thermostat, and I'll show you how I do that. Before I start this, what the temperature is here in my garage, and I will show you the temperature, what it is outside right now. That's why I want to do this right now, because it is flipping cold here in Pennsylvania right now, like really cold. This is, I'll tell you, the date is 1/21/2025. Here, I will show you. That right there, hang on, this stupid watch. That right there is the date, 1/21/2025. Yeah, this has a 14-gallon tank, so you can put a lot of diesel in this thing. If you had this running continuously, it does say it will run up to 16 hours. Now, if you had this thermostat on it, probably would run a lot longer. It is built like a beast. I will have a link to one of these heaters down in my description and in my first comment, too, if you want to check them out. Oh, and if you did see my last video, I'm missing the little SunFire shield here in the front. I just ended up talking to them today, so they are sending me that. I should have that here for me by Friday, and I plan on making probably a couple more videos with this, so you will see that on this heater probably in the next video. Let's get this thing fired up. I should be able to, since I already have it primed from last time, there's just a switch here in the back. I just got to flip this switch on. I have it plugged in. In an hour. So that's good. I got my hour timer set. So I'm gonna check back here in 30 minutes and then into like an hour. And let me show you here real quick what my temperatures are. Back here I got a temperature for 11.8 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and it says it is 42 degrees inside here in my garage. Way better in here. And then for all you people that live in like Canada and stuff, so it is 11.2 degrees Celsius and 5.6 degrees Celsius inside. Or wait. Oh no. I was like, that don't even make sense. It is negative 11.2 degrees Celsius outside, and it is 5.8 degrees Celsius inside. Man, I'm not used to Celsius. That makes it sound even worse. So, we'll see what that looks like in 1 hour. Let me turn it back to Fahrenheit. That freaks me out. So, 42 degrees in here. Let's look at this one over here, see what this one says. This one here says 42, this one says almost 46. Let me turn on this carbon monoxide detector and I'll show you what it looks like now. It's just going through its tests. And then I'll show you what it looks like here in like 30 minutes to an hour, depending on what I show you. So far it's only showing 0. Yeah, so far it's only showing 0. It's crazy. This thing burns super clean. Yeah, like most of the heat doesn't like blow out the front. A lot of it comes right up above it. Like I can barely keep my hand right here. That's probably about as close as I can get my hand to it. I don't know if I even want to keep my hand there very long. So dang hot. Whew. Shoot. Sucker's hot. Now I got to get my fan kicked on here. I have a nice big ceiling fan up there. Let's get that thing ripping so it can move this hot air around, because it's going to be all at the ceiling. I'm not sure if this is good, but this thing is made in the good old USA. And yeah, and I'm wearing my Chinese trucker hat again. Chinese trucker hat that I bought at the truck station. Do you like my Chinese trucker hat? It looks good with my beard. I can't get a real cowboy hat because I'm not a flippin' cowboy. So I got this Chinese one. Yeah, we're still showing zero. This is crazy. Still showing 0. Thing burns so super clean. Awesome. I'm just gonna let that sit right next to it. See right there. And I'll get back with you here in about a half hour to an hour. See what the temperature of this garage come up to. And then I'm going to connect that thermostat up to it, and we'll see how that works. All right, 30 minutes have went by. I don't know, it's 5:26. I'm not sure what time it was when we started, but I know I set a timer on my watch, so it does say I got 30 minutes left to hit that 1 hour mark. So I figured I'd at least show you how warm I got this my garage is 36 by 28, so I think that's 1,008 square foot. I'll show you, and I got this real tall ceiling over here. I'll show you how warm I got my garage here in a half an hour. All right, let's go over this one here by my back door first. I don't remember what now it got colder outside. It's 8.8 degrees Fahrenheit outside now, and it is 63 degrees here in the garage. Going up more. And let me change it to Celsius. Hang on. And there is Celsius. It is inside, it is 17.4 degrees Celsius. Outside, negative 12.7 degrees Celsius. It is warming up fast. And I'll try to show you this one over here when my clock changed. It is close. I think it's showing 58 there, maybe 57, 58. All the dang hands are in the way. Pretty much I don't need this sweatshirt on no more. This flipping thing is hot. I was thinking about getting me a hot dog and roasting it over that. And I think you could call it, would that be called a diesel dog if I did that? I don't know how healthy that would be to eat, but you know, a diesel dog. Yeah, look. This is still showing 0 parts per million. That's crazy. Like, this thing has no exhaust. All right, I'll get back with you here in another couple seconds. So I'm gonna wait, but I'm gonna let this go for another half an hour. We'll see how warm this garage gets. All right, I got like 2 minutes left. What do you think of this hat? Any better than the cowboy hat? And I got my t-shirt on because it's flipping hot out here. Wait till you see what it is. I got, 2 minutes. Look. You believe me? I don't know. I don't know why I'd lie to you, but 2 minutes to go. And if you want to know what time it is 5:52. I'm not sure what time it was when I started. For all you guys that might be fact-checking me. You know, all the fact-checkers we got nowadays. And I just want to show you, I got this infrared thermometer. You got to see how hot some of the parts on there are. I can barely stand this close to it. I don't know. I'm like, what, 5 feet away, 4 feet away? Shoot. 870. $900. Yeah, there. I knew I was seeing 900s. 900 degrees. $915, $917. That dome is hot. The edge of it is 500. But out here in the center is around 900 degrees. Hot, hot, hot. I'd say that's close enough to 1,000. That's pretty hot. There all the way at the top of that dome, 840 degrees. So over 900 degrees. Wait till you see how hot I got my garage here in an hour. Let me show you. I gotta back up. Yeah. This doesn't even feel that hot. So there's not much heat here. All the heat kind of goes up here. That's why I turned my fan on. Yeah, it's hot out here now, but let me show you how hot I got it. I'm going to hook that thermostat up before my garage burns up. All right, let me look right back here. It is 6.6 degrees outside. My garage is 76.8 degrees in 1 hour. That's ridiculous. What did I start at? 40 something degrees? So what did it go up? Over 30 degrees in 1 hour? It's crazy. There's my Celsius. In 1 hour, it went up to 24.9 degrees Celsius inside. Outside is 14.2 degrees Celsius. Crazy. This one over here is a little different. I'll show you this one. Not showing as high. About 66 degrees over here. Now, if it's because my wall feels cooler still, but that's like, I'm like this far away from it. But that thermostat, let me show you. Here's the heater. You know, that thermostat is way, way, way back there by my door. And I still got my fan ripping. But that is why you need to know how to hook this thermostat up to this, just in case you do have a smaller space to keep turning on and off. So let me hook that up and show you what that's like. All right, that's it for this video. I'm turning this video into 2 parts because it was getting to be just a little longer than I expected. So I hope you liked seeing how hot this diesel heater will get. It gets hot. It heated my garage up a lot. But I'll tell you what, part 2 is really, really nice. So watch this video right up here. This is going to be part 2. I'm going to hook up the thermostat, and it would definitely help save a lot of this diesel so you don't just burn and burn and burn your diesel. So thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. I love reading all them comments. And hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and stay hot. Or stay warm. Whatever.